In this video, I'm going to show you how to repost a video on TikTok, okay? As usual, in this channel, we don't waste the time of our viewers. We are focusing on diving right into the content without wasting so much of your time. Let's get started. Open TikTok app. Then, if you want to repost this video or even another video, what we'll click on here is the share button here to the right here, the last button here. Make sure you follow every step because you might make a mistake that will ruin the whole process. Tap on it. Then you will see various options here in this screen. Now click on repost, the first button. Then if you click OK, the video will be reposted on your TikTok profile. If you found value in this video, please make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Until next time, peace out.